Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Google Sheets. This is particularly useful if you're more comfortable working in your native language or if you're collaborating with international teams and need to match their language settings. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, sign in to your Google account using your credentials. This will take you to your Workspace dashboard where you can access all your Google applications and files. Make sure you're logged into the correct account if you manage multiple Google profiles. From your Workspace dashboard, simply click on any spreadsheet to open it. It doesn't matter which one you choose, as the language settings will apply across all your Google Sheets once you make the change. This is a system-wide setting, so you only need to do this once. Once your spreadsheet is open, look at the top menu bar and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with various options for managing your document. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you'll find the configuration options that control how Google Sheets displays information to you. In the settings window, you'll see an option labeled Display Language. Next to it, you'll see your current language setting, for example, English. Click on this language option. This action will redirect you to a new tab where Google allows you to configure your broader language preferences. This is actually taking you to your overall Google account language settings, which affects not just Sheets but other Google services as well. On this new page, under the section labeled Preferred Language, you'll notice a pencil icon next to your current language. Click on this pencil icon to edit your language preference. Now, in the search field that appears, type in the language you'd like to switch to. For example, if you want to change it to Spanish, type Español. You'll then need to select a specific country variant, such as Spain, since some languages have regional differences. Once you've made your selection, click Save to confirm your choice. Now navigate back to your Google Sheets tab. You'll see a button that says Save Settings at the bottom of the settings window. Click this button to apply the changes specifically to your Sheets interface. After saving, go ahead and refresh your browser tab to ensure all changes take effect properly. And there you have it, your Google Sheets interface is now displayed in your preferred language. You'll notice that all menus, buttons, and options now appear in the language you selected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.